Hello guys, dito kami ngayon sa park at nagwa-walking. Nakapag 2.5 round na ako ng jogging. Malamig ngayon pero yan, pinagpawisan na ako sa aking jogging para ano ba oras namin? Mga around 9 o'clock na ngayon, since malamig naman dito sa labas. So jogging at walking muna kami dito sa park para may exercise din kahit paano sa gabi. At yun naman si Balma, naka stretching na siya at saka run. Naka ilang run ka na? Round? 1 round?
I didn't count.
At patuloy lang kami sa aming walking para sa aming exercise. Doon si Mami sa likod at ito si Balma. Walking lang kami. At yan, magja-jogging daw si Mami. Jogging na siya, lakad lang si Balma. Si Mami is jogging. Oh, dilim. Ang dilim naman. Dito lang naman kami guys, ikot-ikot. Madilim kasi dito dito sa part na to is walang ilaw. Pinauli kami sa may mga nag-yoga dito. Sa susunod nga magre-ready kami ng banig para sasabay lang kami doon sa mga may nag-yoga doon, mga Indians. Pwede namang humiga lang doon, oh. Dala lang kami ng mat. At sa susunod guys, bibili kami ng lawn tennis racket para kami naman yung mag lawn tennis doon para mas magandang exercise. Bili lang kami ng bola at saka raketa para kami ni Mami maglalaro ng lawn tennis. Si Balma tagahawol sa bola. Lakad-lakad para sa exercise. Para naman maganda sa katawan na maglakad-lakad dito sa park. Lakad-lakad kaming tatlo.
Ayan si Bangers, may dalang tsaa.
Tsaa at saka maruya muna tayo. Oh. At ayan guys, magmerienda lang kami ng marungga, maruya at saka tsaa. Bumili ako ng tag-isang tsaa. Saka hati kami sa maruya. Ano ba, basa? Baka hamog lang yan. Mainit pang ating tsaa.
No. How many days after the camping? How many days after the camping?
We camp at Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
6 days.
6 days.
6 days because we went there Friday.
No, when we came back.
Saturday.
Start Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Oh, then it's 5 days.
Yeah, 5 days. Now the pain is hitting.
No, it's not. That pain came from the last 2 days that you go for exercise, not for that camping.
No, it's more painful now. Like, I didn't feel any pain. It's just tired. After the camping.
You know what happened? Because you're over exercising.
No pain, no gain.
mo, hindi ko tinan mo to kung naigaganyan ko. Pero hindi ko maiganyan na ayos.
Ayun yung higa mo nung, kasi di ba lagi ka doon nakaharap.
Anak, pakita mo na sa kasama. Bakit po? Hindi tayo tayo naman. You want us to turn further?
Hindi malaglag ha. Sisigaw mo siya.
Down. You're getting nervous. Right? You feel it?
Red. How many?
Hindi po kamay niya pag lalaki. Pag lalaki. Hindi yan. I thought we will jump from there to here. Oh,
You know, I watching the YouTube. Yeah. You jump and hit this. Hit this.
that
That's
is
why my
what
hands are like this.
No, that is what happened to you when you hit your
Doon.
shin. Oo. Nag-jump siya ng ganyan. Ay di,
Oh.
kumalang din eh.
No, that's not what happened. The sand was, there's a pit.
Oh.
Then I didn't see the pit because there's no shadow.
Oh.
Then the estimation.
But
I run to the wall.
yeah, but the thing is, the purpose of you is to jump.
Exactly.
So that's the same. That's why you hit your
There's
shin there.
no wrong. I did not do this. I'm not doing this right now.
Oh, so what is it? Okay.
There I did this. All the
Ako na lang, nakalukot na rin sa ibaba.
Ay, hindi mo nakita na nangyari.
Nakita ko nakalukot.
There was,
Nakaluhod. Tapos alam ko na nasaktan siya.
there was a pit there. I cannot stop.